Happy
good morning.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver for the study room 10 box of choco pie, and also you have milk
For
2
also the
packs.
study room.
Yes.
Okay.
And for teacher Arlene, you have 3,000 pesos. Andrea ma'am, 3,000 pesos. Okay. And lastly, for Shania. Shania is in school,
At school.
teacher. Okay, 3,000 pesos. And lastly, Andrea and Shania will have Ferrero chocolates. Okay, 200 chair. Okay. And that is all from Buunim.
Bunim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida, and happy Valentine's.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Sayo, Novi, ma'am.
annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so, Novi, hakyo iso yun? Na school?
School.
Okay. So, today is Valentine's Day. So, I'm here to deliver from Buunim. Novi, she have 3,000 pesos. And chocolates. Choco pie, 2 box. Okay.
Buunim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida, happy Valentine's Day.
Okay, please take video ta. Kung maabot si Novi. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Shunaya.
Annyeonghaseyo, Charlie.
So, your Uncle Bunin give you an allowance, 3,000 pesos, and 1 box of chocolate. Since Andrea is not yet around, not yet around, what time Andrea's arrive? So, ikaw na lang hatag niya. You take a video also. Give that one to Andrea, 1 box. Okay, and that is all from your Uncle Bunim.
Uncle Bunim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida. Happy Valentine's Day, Uncle Bunim.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Andrea.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Please receive your 1 box of chocolate from your Uncle Bunim.
Uncle Bunim, kamsahamnida. Happy Valentine's Day.
Bye. That Lavin?
Flowers.
For me? Wow. And Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you, Lavin.
You're welcome.
Okay, happy Valentine's too. Go to inside the study room na. Nara kay kwaon.